This time we'll start with Mridubhashini's team. Balaji 35, Mitra 45, Kalpita 45, Vishnupriya 40, Mridubhashini 35, Vrinda 40, and defense score is 20. $260. All right. So this time for team Anas 35, Aswathaman improved than the last round 30. Dakshin did a great job of the British corner tactic, so 45 again. Dakshit, great goal, and he took the chance and it paid the price for him, so 50. Sibi didn't speak at all, so 20. Ritan 30. Goal bonus 50. Wow, 260. Same 260. But the team really played well, so I make Civi's 20 as 30, so they deserve to be a little bit on the higher margin than team Mridubhashini this time around. So 270. So 270 and 260 for the team. So basically team Anas 270 plus 235. $505. Team Mridubhashini 270 plus 260. $530. So 530 and 505. Now, it's been almost about 45 minutes since we have started the first game. Now, the ball is with ball வந்து இப்போ கோல் போட்டதனால பாலாஜி கிட்ட தான் இருக்கும். So both Mridubhashini team and Anas's team positions சொல்லுங்க. யார் எங்க கலந்து நிக்கிறீங்க, யார் எங்க வரணும்னு சொல்லுங்க before Balaji throws. Players அத பண்ணுவாங்க. So Dakshin, you start.
Sir, same position, sir. Sibi will be the striker, sir. I'll be just behind him, sir, in a free role. And our two defenders, sir, Ashwathaman and Anas, will be helping the defense, sir. And Ritan will be in the midfield, sir. The central midfield. Yellow, Ritan, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, they have set their position. So goalkeeper வந்து Dakshin தான்ல?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mridubhashini's team, Mitra, Kalpita, who wants to set the position?
I am standing in the as I am forward player. I am standing here, sir. And I let my teammates to speak.
So Mitra has volunteered and opted herself to be in this position. Kalpita, would you like to change yourself from a defense position or somewhere else?
Sir, this time shall I come to the midfield, sir?
Yeah, you have come to the midfield. Okay, right. So Balaji, tell me.
Sir, since Kalpita goes to midfield, sir, either of the midfielder come as a defenser. Mridubhashini can come as a defenser, and the other midfielder can be stay the same, sir, and the window passer will be the same, sir. So
Mridubhashini, you raised the hand, so tell me, you can also change. This is only Balaji's idea. As a captain, you can change things over here.
Yes, sir. So Vishnupriya is a striker again, sir. And Kalpita can accompany Vishnupriya behind her, sir.
Okay, right. Brinda, you want to change your position, or you're happy here?
Sir, I can be here itself, sir.
Fine. Okay, right. So, Balaji, the ball is with you. and since Dakshit scored a goal, the team scored a goal here. Now, what are you doing? Are you passing it to Mridubashni, or you are sending to the midfielders, or you are straight away throwing it, or you are making a gamble of kicking it all the way over here? What do you want to do?
Sir, since the ball
One second, Balaji.
is it midfield,
பாலாஜி ஒரே நிமிஷம். அஸ்வத்தாமணி எதுக்கு இப்ப கை தூக்குன?
Position, sir.
Huh?
Sir,
Why did you raise your hand?
sir, position that only, sir.
What position? Dakshin has already said, and what position you are changing? You are playing a separate league of your own? What position you are going to change? எங்க பொசிஷன் சொல்லப்போ? Hey, சொல்றா. Open your goddamn mouth and speak. What position?
Sir, sir, I like to move my avada a bit left, sir. That only, sir. A bit wider,
Move.
sir. Sir, myself, sir.
To where?
Sir, left, sir. A bit wider, sir.
Balaji, you can say now.
okay, sir. Since the ball is with me, sir, continue, sir. So I pass it to Brinda, sir, and she tries to pass between Brinda and Mitra, sir, and they are both are passing each other for a long time, sir, and they try to pass it to Vishnupriya, who is the striker, sir, and she tries to score goal, sir.
Okay, that's Balaji's idea. Vishnupriya, you volunteer. What is it?
Yes, sir. So, as the ball is with me now, sir, I would straight away take it to Indian corner, sir. If I am not able to, I will pass it to Mitra, who will take it to take it in the Indian corner, sir. So Mitra moves a bit front, sir, so that I can pass from there straightly to the forward player, sir. So then Kalpita comes parallel to Mitra, sir. So that she can Ritin is there, she defends, she tackles Ritin, and the ball goes to Kalpita, sir, and Brinda comes front, sir. As Brinda is in the front, sir, the ball is passed to Brinda, sir, and Ashwatthama is there as the defender there, sir. She tackles Ashwatthama too, sir, and she Ashwatthama moves this side, sir, so that she can pass it to Kalpita, who is opposite to Brinda, sir, and Kalpita.
Okay. Fine. Now they deserve to speak since we have. Okay, Mitra, addition.
Sir, as they have tackled Ashwatthama, sir. So Ashwatthama, however, he falls down somewhere, sir. Sir, we used to tackle, sir, and directly Brindaka, as she has tackled Ashwatthama, they pass for some time, sir, and suddenly, immediately, either of them tries a corner kick, and it directly goes into the
Okay.
goal post, sir.
Now, Sibi raised hand. Okay, fine. So Sibi raised hand. Now, positioning being like this, now Sibi can say. Sibi, tell me.
Sir, Ritin Nitishana can come and take the ball and kick to Ashwatthama, sir. And Ashwatthama pass to Anasana, sir. Anasana pass to Dakshina, sir.
Okay, wait here. Dakshin, you raised hand after Sibi, so you can go now. You can take it forward
Yes, sir.
from here.
Sir, so I would run towards the Paris corner, sir. And
With the
Sibi will
ball?
go to the opposite side, sir.
You mean to say you will run to Paris corner with the ball?
Yes, sir, with the ball, sir.
So there is a huge gap. Then I'll have to ask something from team Mridubashni. 1 second,
I'll
I'll
ask
come back to
Anas
you.
also to join, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Anas will go
girls
there,
and
Yes,
Yari.
yes, sir. Anas will stand there, sir. And
Okay,
Sibi
girls
will
and
go to the
Balaji.
far corner, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Perfect, sir. And from Paris corner, he could give an elevated shot for a header, sir.
Fine. Okay. So, kind attention, team Mridubashni. There is a huge gap over here, and Dakshin is proposing that he will take the advantage of Anas over here and Sibi over here. So, we will first listen to. Let me get into the sequence. Mridubashni is raising the hand. So, Mridubashni, Brinda, and Balaji. Okay, Mridubashni. Okay, Kalpita. Mridubashni, you say first. What is the strategy over here? There's a huge gallop of space here. Come on.
Mitra is first approaching to Dakshin, sir. And Vishnupriya is also accompanying Mitra, sir. They both trying to take the ball from Dakshin, Siddharth, sir.
Good job. Fine. Okay. Okay. Any addition? Kalpita addition?
Sir, this is what I also wanted to say, sir.
Fine. Okay. So, Balaji, any addition? Mitra addition?
Sir, she can straight
Sir,
away pass it to
Yes, sir. I was going to say that Mitra will pass it to Brinda first, sir, and she tries to score
Okay.
a goal from this, sir.
Fine. Okay. Mitra, any addition?
Sir, no, sir, same I was.
Same. Okay. Brinda, any addition?
So same, so I think it's perfect, sir, to score a goal.
Okay. Now again, we'll have to come to Anas. The people who have not been given the chances will be speaking right now. That is Dakshit first, Anas second, Ritanitish third. Dakshit.
Sir, yes, sir. Ritan will be kicking it to Dakshin, sir, who's the green pawn. He will move forward, sir. Yes, sir. And he'll kick it to Anas, sir. And the chain goes like this, sir. He'll kick it to Anas, and Anas will diagonally pass it to Sibi, and he will score the goal, like I said before, sir. Yes.
It's a header,
Pass,
sir.
Quite possible.
Paris corner.
Quite possible. Quite possible. Now, Team Mridubashni, this is a quite possible proposition. So, Mitra, you can speak now.
Okay, sir. Sir, how was
Kalpita next.
Sir, Vishnupriya is standing between the Egypt corner and Indian corner, sir. So it could be easy for her to fast approach here, sir, while the other people are running from there, sir. So Mridubashni on one side, sir, because Paris corner is straight away they could hit the air shot, sir. So Mridubashni being a tall person, she could stand here, sir. And Balaji using the gloves, he had to extend both his hands. Both his hands, sir, and Dakshin, Anas would try to score either in this side, sir, by air shot, only corner shot, sir, on near this post side, sir. So I would directly ask Balaji to stand like that, and both Mridubashni and Brindaka to stand near the post so that they could defend it very easily, sir.
Ball goes out of the park. Okay, so Mitra has proposed an idea. Kalpita, addition?
Yes, sir. As a defender from there, I would like to come near Sibi, sir, because that was last time they hit the goal from there, sir. So I would like to man mark Sibi, sir. And if I get the ball, I would like to pass it to Mitra, where there is gap, sir. She is in the midfield, sir. So there she can pass it to Brinda and take over, sir.
Okay, all right, fine. So this idea that Mitra has mentioned is quite possible, where Balaji can extend both the hands and he can very much defend, and then Mridubashni can take it over. So I take it as a final thing. Now, good job. So it was closely to the goal, but Mitra's idea is saved, and it was a save by Balaji, and it has been come to Mridubashni. Now, Aswathaman, you can take it from here. Come on. See the position and make a move.
now Anas Anna will take the ball, sir. Tackle the ball, sir. Sir, then he will. Then Dakshin Anna will come, sir. Come that side, sir. Sir, sir, and then Sibi will go to the other side, sir. Sir, next we will make a small triangle like that, sir, and then we'll keep.
Triangle. You cannot make a triangle because already Vishnupriya, Kalpita, Balaji, Mridubhashini have made an octagon shape. So I'm going to need triangle is square and panna mudiyadhu. So there is no chance. So Dakshin, okay, it's been a long time since Ritan has spoken. Ritan, your teammate Aswathaman has mentioned Anas is okay. Anas is over here, strong position. Anas, Dakshin, Sibi over here versus Balaji, Vishnupriya, Kalpita, Brinda, Mridubhashini, Brinda and Vishnupriya, Mitra are here. So, Ingirinde, take it over, Ritan.
Sir, right now, sir. Sir, sir, right thing is loud, sir.
I am not hearing anything except the white noise.
Yes, sir. Sir, now, sir, Anas will be hitting the ball to CB, sir. So at that time, goalkeeper will be coming near CB, sir. So suddenly, CB will be passing back to Anas, sir. So Anas will be trying to shoot a goal at the top right corner, sir. Top right corner, sir. Back to Anas, sir. Top right corner, sir.
So he says the ball will go straight over here. So I need team Mridubhashini to give reaction to it. We will. Mitra just spoke, Kalpita just spoke, Vishnupriya and Brinda can speak now. Ritan Nitish proposes that Anas can divert Balaji through Sibi and he can shoot a scoop all the way to the right top corner. So Vishnupriya, Brinda, you can speak.
Yes, sir. So what my idea is, sir, Mridubhashini Akka has to tackle Anas and she takes the ball to the Britain corner, sir. So what he mentioned yesterday was in the Britain corner, it straight away goes to the close to the defender of the opposite goal post, sir. So there I would have Mitra there, sir, as a forward player. So it straight away comes to Mitra, sir, and Brinda stands parallel to Mitra, sir. So they both tackle Ritan and Ashwathaman, sir, and then they try to hit a cross goal, sir, or they one side if Brinda tries to shoot a goal, Dakshitana would move that side, sir. That time Brinda can have a connective goal with Mitra, sir.
Quite possible, and Dakshit and Dakshin should speak now. And understandably, Dakshit, once again, Brinda, any addition before this?
Sir, yes, sir. When you said that Anas will shoot a goal in the right up, sir, so that time I got an answer, sir. When he shooted, sir, so that time Kalpita was standing very near to the goal post, sir. So when she defends the goal, when she defends the ball, sir, it will come to and she passes to Mridubhashini Akka, sir, and Mridubhashini Akka triple the ball and come to Paris corner, sir. And when she was before, sir, Mitra and me was standing in the midfield, sir. Mitra, I think she was standing in the midfield, sir. I was little bit closer to her, sir. So that time when she gives a high elevated pass, sir, so elevated pass to Mitra, sir, and Mitra will pass to me, sir, and we both will dribble and come to the goal post, sir. That's what I thought, sir.
Okay, either way, both Vishnupriya's idea and Brinda's idea have come to this position. So that's a good idea by both. Now, Dakshit, you said you wanted something to be shared. So you get the scope, and Dakshin also get the scope. Dakshit, first you.
Sir, yes, sir. My point is, Ritan now pings it to Anas, sir. That is long passes to Anas, sir. The black pawn, sir.
Dakshit, I don't think that's possible.
Or Anas comes to the, or Dakshin comes to the midpoint, sir. Dakshin, sir.
Dakshin.
Ritan passes to Dakshin, sir. Dakshin passes to Anas, sir. As Sibi is in the Paris corner, after Anas passes to Sibi, Sibi shoots the ball straight into the post, sir. The top post net, sir. So that there is no possibility of Balaji Anna to catch it, sir.
Okay, so Dakshin, any addition? I'm withdrawing back to Dakshin's idea of the ball standing near you. That is, you are having the ball. But I sincerely have a doubt. Dakshin Siddharth giving a straight shoot to Sibi because Kalpita is over here. She can jump and head it back. Mridubashni is over here. With the height advantage, she can jump and head it back. So the ball cannot go to Sibi over here without. Okay, Anas has not spoken for long. Okay, Anas, you say?
So Dakshin Anas passed to me, sir.
Okay.
So I will scoop the ball, sir.
Scoop the ball, huh?
So lightly I will go front and I will scoop the ball, sir.
Quite possible, quite possible. Scooping the ball is quite possible. Now, Mridubashni, Kalpita, you will have to speak over here. Who speaks? Kalpita, come on.
Okay, sir. Sir, Anas said he is going to scoop the ball, sir. There is Vishnu Priya, sir. So when she gets the ball, she can pass to me, sir. Mitra is a straightforward player. She can come parallel to me, sir. Yes, sir. Mitra can come parallel to me, sir. And there is few yards gap, sir. So I shall go near Brinda and Mitra can pass to Brinda, sir. From there she can shoot, sir.
Okay, so I can take till Kalpita's promise that Mitra will be given the ball. Now, Mitra, addition.
Sir, I have Brindaka there, sir. So there are only Ritan and Ashwathaman, sir. The whole crowd of their team is here, sir. So also they are far away, sir. So it's going to be difficult for them to come there very that fast, sir. So Mridubashni and I are near Paris corner, sir. So I straight away pass the ball in air, sir, and it reaches here, sir. And within that, Mridubashni being a fast runner, she gets there, sir. And they both pass, sir. And within that, I and Kalpitaka get here, sir. And we actually we get the ball and we tackle both Ashwathaman and Ritan, sir.
Okay. Now, Dakshin Siddharth, Ashwathaman have been raising the hand for a long time. So, Sibi also has raised the hand. So, the sequence is Sibi number 1, Dakshin Siddharth number 2, Ashwathaman number 3. Sibi. Mitra, Kalpita, Vishnupriya have idealized that the ball is with Brinda right now. So, Sibi, you can take over. Come on.
Sir, Ritan Nitishana, come and take the ball and pass to Anasana, sir.
Okay.
Then Anasana try to score a curve shot, sir.
Fine, okay, I'll come back to that. Dakshin. Ritan Nitish blocking and taking the ball just like that. Sibi solradha enala edukka mudiyadhu. So, some other idea, please.
Sir, so we have two defenders there, sir. One of them can mark Mitra, sir, and the Ritan can mark Mitra, sir. And quickly Ashwathaman can go and intercept the ball, sir, by sliding tackle, and the ball comes straight to me because I'm uncovered, sir, unmarked. And I have Anas here, sir. Anas can drop deep, sir. Anas can come backwards, sir. So the defender, not too much, sir. The defender will try to follow Anas, sir. So that will open room for Sibi, sir, because Sibi is also right there. So Anas will engage this defender and Sibi will have room, sir. Sibi could get the ball and it could be 1v1 with the goalkeeper.
Fine. I can stop here. Ashwathaman, take it forward.
Sir, what we'll do is, sir, against Priyaka, we'll do a rainbow tackle, sir.
What?
Sir, sir, not Vishnu Priyaka, sir. Sir, we'll actually go we'll actually go to just like Dakshinana mentioned, sir. We'll go to Paris corner, sir, and then CB will go to
Who
sir
goes to Paris?
Anasana, sir. Paris corner,
Anas
sir.
Anas இங்க போனான்னா விஷ்ணுபிரியா நீட்டா பால் இங்க எடுத்துட்டு வந்துருவா. நீ என்ன யோசிச்சிட்டு இருக்க?
Tackle the ball, sir. We'll tackle the ball, sir.
Then what do you think Vishnupriya will be doing here? Just watching Anas playing the game?
No, sir. He said tackling with a normal flick, sir. A high knee level flick, sir.
Once again, I'll come back to you. Team Mirdubashini, this guy says that Vishnupriya tackle பண்ணிட்டு நான் பாரிஸ் கார்னருக்கு Anas போயிடுவான் அப்படின்ட்டு. So இங்க விஷ்ணுபிரியாக்கு என்ன safe strategy? Who is saying? Balaji, சொல்லு.
Okay, sir.
Okay, the sequence will be Balaji, Mitra, Kalpita, and then again we are coming to Aswathaman. Balaji, சொல்லு சீக்கிரம்.
Sir, since Vishnupriya is near the goal post, sir, she comes to the ball, sir, and tries to away the ball towards the Indian corner, sir, and it will buy us time for the other players to come there, sir, and from the Indian corner, sir, and they can pass it to midfielder, sir, and they can and from the midfielder, sir, and they can pass it to Mitra, sir, and she's trying to score a goal, sir.
And shot, sir, directly, sir. Here, sir. This
Okay.
corner, sir. Because no one can, everyone are here, sir. So if I straight away hit it on that corner, no one will be able to defend it, sir.
Okay, Mitra has added. Kalpita addition?
Yes, sir. Sir, when Mitra is trying to go with an elevated shot, sir, I shall come to the Egypt corner, sir. When the ball rebounds, also I can give a counter attack, sir.
Sir. Sir, and the same way, Brinda also stands after this side of right side of Ashwathaman, sir, so that even if Dakshitana's hand he defends the ball goal, sir, Brinda can take it forward, sir.
Dakshit, with their strategy and ideology, now I'll come back to you. Aswathaman, you mentioned that, coming back to you, you are supposed to speak now. You mentioned about taking the ball to Paris corner as per the advice of Dakshin Siddharth, but Kalpita, Vishnupriya, yes, Mitra have made it possible to come this far. So from now, over here, what is your strategy? Aswathaman.
Sir, now there Ritanana is there, sir. So what we can do is the goalkeeper shall go to near the ball, sir. Not much near, sir. And then Ritanana can cover the left part of him, sir, while I can also cover the right part of him, sir. Sir, right part of Dakshitana, sir. Yes, sir. So that
your addition.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir, from there, since there is a lot of gap, he passes straight to Dakshin, sir. And
Okay.
Dakshin connects. Yes, sir.
One second, Dakshit. One second. Team Mirdubashini here, Aswathaman, Ritan, and Dakshit are proposing that they can easily handle Brinda and they can surpass the ball to Dakshin Siddharth. So here I need some clarity. Who is coming for the help of Brinda? Okay, Brinda, you say you have an answer. Now you speak.
Sir, actually, what I will do, sir, there is no possible of scoring a goal, sir. I will send the ball backward to where Mitra and Mirdubashini Akka is there, sir, and they will pass to Kalpita, sir. And Mirdubashini Akka and Mitra will come and accompany Kalpita, sir, so that they can dribble little bit front, sir, and it's possible for them to score goal in there, sir, when they come near to goal post, sir.
Mitra addition?
Yes, sir. Sir, as again Brindaka gets back to this position, sir, and we keep passing, sir. And however, as Brindaka is a little near to the goal post, sir, Dakshitana, Ashwathaman, or Ritan, any of these both, sir, they could approach near Brindaka, sir. So I would like to take that opportunity and either Mridubhashini or me would score straight away goal, sir. Scoop, sir. By scooping the ball, sir.
Vishnu Priya addition, last addition before I go to Team Anas. Anas, the captain
Yes,
will
sir.
speak now after Vishnu Priya.
So what Mitra said was straight away goal, sir. And even if suppose it cannot go, sir, if Dakshitana defends, sir, Kalpita would come parallel to Mirduka, sir, so that she could take the rebound and they could score a connective goal, sir. Dakshitana would focus on Kalpita, sir. So when Kalpita passes to Mirduka, Mirduka can score a connective goal, sir. Yes.
Please understand that Dakshin is very much over here and Dakshit can come all the way. So I allow Dakshin to speak. So Dakshin, your idea.
Sir, I come in between Mitra and Mridubhashini, sir. And I quickly intercept the ball and pass it to Ashwathaman, sir. Pass it backwards to Ashwathaman, sir. Anas can come a bit backwards, sir, and Ashwathaman can put a scooping air ball to Anas, sir.
No. That's not possible. With these two, you must scoop பண்றதுலாம் chance இல்ல. Mitra can headbound, Kalpita can headbound. You are actually endangering yourself. You are scoop பண்ணும்போது Kalpita jumps and head goes goal. You are scoop பண்ணும்போது again Mitra jumps goal. மறுபடியும் scoop பண்ணும்போது Mridubhashini comes and jumps score goal. So some other strategy.
Yes, he can pass it back to Dakshit, sir, and Dakshit can stop it and take it in his hands, sir, to avoid danger.
Okay, now team Mridubhashini இங்க உங்க கோல் ஜோனுக்கு பக்கத்துல இவங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் பாஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறதா தக்ஷன் சொல்றான். So what kind of advantage you take because you have got a time over here, so somebody can stomp in and goal. அதனால யாரு பேசுறீங்க நிறைய பேர் கேட்குறீங்க. Kalpita.
Okay, sir. Sir, near the ball, sir, in the both the opposite side of the ball, sir. In one side I am standing, sir. Other side, Mridubhashini and Brinda are standing, sir. We both will fast approach, sir. So the goalkeeper will get confused who is going to hit, sir. Taking that chance, either me or Mitra will hit the ball, sir.
Straight away, sir, with force, sir.
Okay. Vishnu Priya addition.
Sir, I have the same idea, sir.
Right. Balaji addition. Okay. Dakshit.
Sir, since there is two defenses standing as a wall, sir, the ball is come a little bit like backwards, sir, to the midfield position, sir, and that will buy enough of time to come bottom and forward, sir. In that time, they can pass it to Brinda, sir, and she can pass it to again Kalpita, sir, and she's trying to score a curve shot goal, sir.
So anyhow, that is also in the cluster. Okay, fine. Anyhow, that's also in the cluster. Dakshit, you're the last to respond as a goalkeeper. Come on.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, I'll move forward and I'll fall into the ball, sir. After that, I'll pick it in my hand. And meanwhile, Dakshin and Ritan will move to the midpoint, mid of the court, sir. Yes, sir. And I'll throw it to Dakshin, sir. And he will continue, sir.
Well, this is possible.
Sir, no, sir. I'll fall into the ball now, sir.
இல்ல Dakshit, falling onto the ball was இப்போ அவங்க கல்பிட்டால சொன்ன பாயிண்ட் படி when you are having so many people around, you fall onto the ball and the ball smudges out, Mridubhashini might score. You fall onto the ball edges out, Kalpita might score. So that's the probability. அதனால I don't think that will work, Dakshit.
Sir, may I add, sir?
No, wait. Anas, you add?
Sir, Dakshitana can take the ball in hand and throw very fastly to me, sir.
விளக்கணையான பேசிட்டு அதுதான் இப்ப எடுக்க முடியாதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கிறேன். அப்புறம் தக்ஷிதனா டேக் த ஏன்னா இத்தனை பிளேயர்ஸ் இங்க இருக்காங்க, இவன் இங்க நின்று இருக்கான். Dakshit himself mentioned that these two are coming to the midfield, so you have surrendered already. So it's a goal.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Well
Well
done,
done, team.
friends.
Well done.
The mistake
Well
happened
done,
on
friends.
the mistake happened on the part when Dakshin Siddharth did not mention that Anas should be coming here, Sibi should be coming here. Why haven't you taught that Anas and Sibi should be here in this D box? Anaso as solala, Dakshino as solala, and adding on to the point, so here Dakshit was not having any choice. And look at that. Tirisula Vyoga Mari and Alver on the even Dakshit, can you explain a little bit more? Why did you all of a sudden ask Ritan and Dakshit to come with the confidence that you would take the ball and throw it to them, and you will fall on the ball and you will grab the ball? Can you give some more explanation on that move?
Sir, I thought that I was very near the ball, more than these 4 people from the other team, sir. So that I thought that it would be easy for me to fall into the ball and pick it up and throw to either Dakshin or Ritan, sir.
But unfortunately, it's a numbers game, Dakshit. It's numbers game. See, 4 against 2. Dakshin came in front. So you have, with the kind of the confidence that you had, you have pushed them backward. What are these 2 guys doing here? That's what I'm asking. Why are they so obsessed to keep themselves hugged with Balaji? Yeah, Balaji பக்கத்துல நிக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறானே அவனுங்க. இங்க வர மாட்டேங்கிறானே. இல்ல இவரு யாரு? தலைவர். தக்ஷித் எடுத்து இவருக்கு இங்க வீசுவாராமா. ஏன் இவர் முன்னாடி வர மாட்டாராமா? இங்கே தான் நிப்பாராமா அவரு? So this time, team Anas has scored 35, Aswathaman 40, Dakshin 40, Dakshit 45, Sibi 30, Ritan 30. Twice they defended, so we should give 40. Only third time they have allowed the goal, so they should give 40. Defend smart. Again, another 260 gathered. 260. So 505 by 260. And Mirdubashni's team, Mirdubashni 25, Mitra 50, Kalpita 50, Vishnupriya did very well this time, 45, Brinda did very well this time, 45, Balaji 45. Goal bonus 50.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
310, sir.
Right. $310.
Thank you, sir.
So 310. Right.
Thank you, sir.
Mirdubashni?
Yes, sir.
So put these numbers in paper. 481.
Yes, sir.
Plus 530.
Yes, sir.
Plus 310.
Yes, sir.
What's your grand total?
1 second, sir. Sir,
481, 530 and 310. Grand total.
Sir, I have made the total, sir. Shall I say, sir?
Yes, Brinda.
1321, sir.
once again?
Same, sir. 1321, sir.
Okay, 1321. Fine. Thank you. Anas?
Sir,
437.
sir,
505. 505. And 260.
sir, may I add, sir?
Okay. How much?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Sir, I've asked. Will I say, sir?
Who? Aswathaman?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is it?
Sir, 1200.
Sir, my calculator is
1202.
not working.
Sir, correct, sir. For myself also it came 1220, sir.
Yes, 1220. 1202. Da.
Sir, 1202.
ஒருத்தனுக்கு கால்குலேட்டர் ஒர்க் பண்ணதில்ல, ஒருத்தனுக்கு 02 அப்படிங்கிறது 20 மாதிரி தெரியுது. நல்லா வருவீங்களா?
Sir, no, sir. Sir, no, sir. Number.
So that it did not work, sir.
ஆமா. பிரியாணி ரைத்தாவும் தின்னே உனக்கு இப்படி ஆயிடுச்சு வர வர. இந்த ஒரு மாசம் ஃபுல்லா ஆத்தான பண்ணிட்டு இருந்த நீ. சரி. Dakshin bhai?
Yes, sir.
First match போச்சு 2-1.
அடுத்த மேட்ச் ஜெயிச்சிரும் சார்.
Team Mirdubashini, you have won the first match in the tournament 2-1.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Well done, friends.
Well done, everyone.
Next one, if you win, then it's a success. You win the tournament. But I have very to the power of infinity severe doubt that Team Mirdubashini will win the second match. Because இன்னைக்கு வந்து Team Team Anas was making something. I need to give bonus for Team Anas for a reason. They were having a team talk. This morning when before I even sent this setup, Dakshin Siddharth had a gaming console. Gaming console na or automated football console vechirundha appdi. Adha vechi he was trying to say, sir, idha vechi velayalama appdin ketappdi. Everything in there was automated. எனக்கு என்னன்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா அந்த ஆட்டோமேட்டட் இதில் கொஞ்சம் அப்படியே ஜாலியாக நம்மளாம் சில பேர் இருக்காங்க, அது ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக எல்லா வேலையும் பண்ணுறதுனால அப்படியே சும்மா கால் மேலே காலை போட்டு அப்படியே கையும் வந்துட்டு தலைக்கு பின்னாடி கட்டிக்கிட்டு ஜாலியாக அதை பார்க்க ஆரம்பிச்சுவாங்க. அதனால இந்த செட்டப் நான் ஏன் பண்ணேன்னா ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் மைண்டில் யோசிக்கணும், ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் பேசணும், ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் பேசினா தான் மார்க் இதில் கிடைச்சிருக்கு. அதனால நான் தக்ஷின்கிட்ட என்ன சொன்னேன்னா, இந்த நீ கொண்டு வந்த இந்த செஷனை நம்ம இன்னொரு நாளைக்கு வச்சுக்கலாம், நம்ம இதை வச்சுக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னோன்னா he got convinced. What he did was he tried to give training and he was having the team discussion along with his team members using that particular automated board, which was very.
I got notification.
You got notification, which was very impressive. So we shall give 25 marks bonus for Team Anas.
Well done, Dakshina.
Well done, Dakshina.
Well done,
Thank you,
Dakshina.
sir.
Well done,
Thank you.
Dakshin Anna. Well done, team.
So 1202 plus 25. Now at the same time, 1227 now. At the same time, in Team Mirdubashini, there was something that was happening, which also entitles bonus. Mitra today by 1 o'clock or 1:30 in the afternoon, she was googling about football and she was taking the terminology of international and club football matches, and she was even watching the 10 greatest goals scored by Messi, and she was sharing that in the group, and she was motivating the other people to watch that. Messi வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ரெண்டு காலுக்கு நடுவில் ட்ரிபிள் பண்ணி the magical moments of Messi ன்னு சொல்லி, I'm sure Dakshin would have watched that and many other people would have also watched that. அந்த வீடியோவை பார்த்தாங்க, they made a little bit of research, அந்த ரிசர்ச் எல்லாம் பண்ணி she was taking notes and she was telling her team members also the same. So on the additional effort, we shall give about 20 marks.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Well
Nice
done,
choice,
Mitra.
Mitra.
Well
Super.
done, Mitra.
Thank you, Nath. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Well done,
Thank you.
Mitra.
கரெக்டான பிளேயர் எடுத்திருக்காங்க சார்.
ஃபுட்பால வந்துட்டு லீஸ்க்கு எடுத்திருக்கான், வேற எவனும் இல்ல, ஆளே எவனும் இல்ல. So 1227 by team Anas. Anas's leadership has improved.
Super, Anas. Very well done.
And I really appreciate that.
Well done,
Yeah,
bro.
1000. They welcome. Ingo battery போன ரோபோ மாதிரி. So 1341 by team Mridubhash. Good job, Mridubhash. All right, boys and girls. So now we are having the second match and third match. நாளைக்கு ரெண்டு மேட்சும் முடிச்சாகணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மேட்ச் உங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் பிராக்டிஸ் வேணுங்கிறதுனால கிட்டத்தட்ட 1 hour ஃபுல்லா விளையாண்ட ஒரு ஒரிஜினல் ஃபுட்பால் மேட்சோட டியூரேஷன் எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்க. ஸோ நாளைக்கு வந்துட்டு பெஸ்ட் ஆஃப் 3ல செகண்ட் மேட்ச் தேர்ட் மேட்சையும் முடிச்சே ஆகணும். Tomorrow is Friday, so Friday we'll have to finish, and Saturday we will have to announce the result, and we will have to have the learning discussion, and then we are moving to the next activity. Next activity is cricket on the table. So cricket already na board vaangirken nenikiren, so adha vechi we are going to have a team activity. So konjam gaming spectrum la kondu povom. Adukapram on 27th or 28th, you will have the first ever combined batch of US batch and Indian batch. So avungalukku exam poitu irukku. So by 25th or 26th of May, they all finish their examination, and we will have the 8 people from US batch and 12 or 13 people from the Indian batch joining together. So, any questions?
Okay.
No, sir.
No, sir.
The timing, sir. Is it in the morning, sir? Or?
மித்ரா மாதிரி ஆளுகள, விஷ்ணு பிரியா மாதிரி ஆளுகள 6 மணிக்கெல்லாம் எழுப்புறதுக்கு என்னால முடியும்.
நான் எந்திரிச்சிருவேன் சார்.
I also wait, sir.
பார்க்கலாம் எப்படின்னு பார்க்கலாம். அவங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு காலையில 6 மணி, நம்மளுடைய 4:30ங்கிறது 5:30 மாத்திக்கலாம். 5:30ன்னா கொஞ்சம் ஒரு 6:30 மணி வரைக்கும் அவங்க தூங்குவாங்க. So most of them have given the consent to come in our own evening session. MS evening session Indian நான் உங்களுக்கு தெளிவா சொல்லிட்டேன். It's called as MS evening sessions. கிரண் தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இதை ப்ரொபோஸ் பண்ணா. ஸோ நான் சொன்னேன் உங்களுக்கு அதில் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணணும்னா MS ஈவினிங் செஷன்ஸ் தான் நீங்கள் கலந்துக்கணும். உங்களுக்காக என் பசங்க மார்னிங் எந்திரிக்க மாட்டாங்க, நீங்க தான் வரணும் அப்படின்னு நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். ஒருவேளை இந்தியன் பேட்ச் வந்து US பேட்சுக்கு வரணும்னு ஆசைப்பட்டா அவங்க மார்னிங் எந்திரிச்சோம். Vishnupriya joined one class last year. Dakshin has joined several classes last year. Mitra has joined some classes last year. So MS evening sessions ku avane evening da vandavum, nama Indian evening da vandavum. So I have told them and they have given the consent. Paakalam first oru 4 பேர் 5 பேர் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி தான். So we will see. I'll keep you updated.
One day event or like for a week or something?
அவங்க சம்மர் முடியற வரைக்கும் அவங்க ஜூன் ஃபுல்லா ரெண்டு பேட்ச்மே கம்பைன்டா தான். அவங்க சம்மர் வந்து ஜூன் ஜூலை ஃபுல்லா. They want that summer. School ஆரம்பிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் they will go back to their own time. Very quickly. It's 6:41. Okay, right. So நாளைக்கு நம்ம we will speak about the idea pad. First 5 minutes we will speak about the idea pad. Suthaman.
Okay.
Sir, the timings for tomorrow are the same time, sir?
Yeah. Until 27th or 26th of May, the timing is 4:30 only. 4:30 convenient தானே? 4:30 to 6:30 எல்லாத்துக்கும்.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Fine. So then continue doing the therapies. Hope you enjoy the football game today. And okay, right. So we will continue this tomorrow also. Right. Thank you. So, yes, Aswathaman.
Sir, I'm trying to unrise it, sir. It's not getting unraised. Sir, okay, sir.
Okay. So continue doing the therapies and continue writing the idea pad. And tomorrow there is going to be an idea check. which is more important even than the football tournament. So Mitra, Dakshit, Aswathaman, Balaji, Brinda, Dakshin Siddharth, Kalpita, Mridubashni, Sibi Adityan, Anas, Ritan Nitish, and Vishnu Priya. See you tomorrow. Live strong. Bye bye and good night.
Bye, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
See you tomorrow, sir.
See you tomorrow. Yes, Ritan.
Sir,
Bye.
what is that idea check, sir?
ஐடியா பேட் அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு தனியான ஒரு நோட் புக் வச்சு உன் மைண்ட்ல வர ஐடியாஸ் எல்லாம் நான் நோட் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்கேன். லைக் வென் எவர் யூ ஹேவிங் எ நியூ ஐடியா, லைக் இதுதான் அவனோட ஐடியா பேட் அப்படின்னா, நீ ஸ்விம்மிங் போயிருக்க, ஸ்விம்மிங் பண்ணிட்டு டக்குன்னு ஒரு ஐடியா கிடைக்குது, சரி நம்ம இதை ஒன்று செய்யணும், இந்த புக்கு நம்ம படிக்கணும் அப்படின்னா உடனே அந்த ஐடியாவை யூ கேன் புட் தட் இன் த ஐடியா பேட் அண்ட் யூ கேன் டேட் போட்டு டைம் போட்டு அது ஒரு ஐடியா அப்படின்னு எழுதிக்கலாம். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி உனக்கு ஒரு நாள் ஃபுல்லாக வரக்கூடிய ஐடியாவை ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு பேர் தான் ஐடியா பேட். இங்கே எம்எஸ் ஈவினிங் செஷன்ஸில் எல்லாரும் அந்த ஐடியா பேடை வச்சுருக்காங்க. நீயும் ஒரு ஐடியா பேடை நாளைக்கு கொண்டு வா. நாளைக்கு நான் இதை பற்றி இன்னும் டீட்டெயிலாக உனக்கு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறேன்.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.